everyone. I am Mrs. Almilet P. De Luna. Together with my partner, Mrs. Heidi P. Mojica, we are here to discuss a research study entitled Project Scholar, Context and Rationale. In the Philippines, due to the pandemic, different scholarships and entrance examinations in college for graduating grade 12 students become more competitive and challenging since the qualification standards were revised. In the study conducted by Appleroot et al. In 2017, it was found out that starting preparation earlier in the junior year through tutoring sessions over larger intervals contributed to higher scores improvements for college admission tests. In the Philippines, attending a private review or tutorial class is expensive and is the least priority of parents due to the pandemic. Innovative ways should be undertaken to ensure that grade 12 graduating students obtain most essential learning competencies that they need for future college applications and scholarships. The researchers were motivated to conduct a study that will determine the impact of Project Scholar on the college applications and scholarship opportunities of graduating grade 12 senior high school students in Endang National High School, Senior High School, last school year 2021-2022 for better project implementation in the coming school years amidst the pandemic. Data gathering methods. A survey questionnaire using Google Form was administered to identify the performance of the participants in college applications and scholarship grants. To establish a significant difference between the participants' performance in college applications and scholarships, obtained frequencies from those who attended the project were compared to those who did not attend.
Table 1 shows that most of the participants are currently enrolled in college. The participants who attended Project Scholar have higher college enrollment than those who did not attend Project Scholar. Most of the participants are enrolled at Cavite State University in their first choice of college degree program, named as BS Architecture, Doctor of Veterinary Medicine, BS Civil Engineering, BS Nursing, BS Accountancy, BS Psychology, AB Journalism, and others. Similarly, 37% of the participants who did not attend Project Scholar did not also enroll in college. Table 2 shows that 7 out of 51 of the participants qualified for a scholarship in college. 100% of those who qualified for scholarships attended Project Scholar. One of the scholarships that they received is the Department of Science and Technology Scholarship. Similarly, of those who attended Project Scholar, 22% qualified for scholarships. Also, 100% of those who did not attend Project Scholar did not qualify for any scholarships. Table 3 shows that the participants who attended Project Scholar have a higher college enrollment rate than those who did not attend the program. Similarly, participants who attended Project Scholar are more likely to enroll in their first choice of college degree program. Table 4 shows that the participants who attended Project Scholar have higher scholarship opportunities than those who did not attend the program. Participants who attended Project Scholar also landed competitive scholarship opportunities in college more than those who did not attend. The continuous implementation of Project Scholar ensures increased college enrollment and increased scholarship opportunities for graduates. The continuous implementation of Project Scholar on all tracks and strands in Indang National High School Senior High School is highly recommended to ensure the increase of grade 12 graduates who will pass competitive scholarships and college entrance examinations amidst COVID-19 pandemic. Modifications on the existing features of the project should be incorporated into so that it will be suitable for face-to-face setup. Results show that most of the participants who attended Project Scholar have better college applications and scholarship opportunities than those who did not attend. Also, there is a significant difference between the performance of the participants who attended and did not attend Project Scholar in terms of college applications and scholarship opportunities. This implies that Project Scholar is effective in increasing the percentage of grade 12 graduates who enrolled in college and qualified in scholarships. These are the references that we use. That's all for our presentation. Thank you.